Welcome back to this session, guys. This session, we want to talk about content marketing, and this is a very intro to content marketing. In content marketing, you have to know what the iterations will be in this course. And the first thing we are going to talk about is what is content marketing, and the second thing is the importance of content marketing as it relates to Facebook, classification of content in general, why we have types of content we are going to talk about in this course, and we did talk about content marketing strategies. And the first thing says, what is content marketing? Content marketing is the process of creating, publishing, and distributing valuable and relevant content to attract and engage a target audience. And the key things you need to know about content marketing: what makes your content good for marketing, it being valuable, it being relevant to the audience you service, it being valuable to the audience you service, and the consistency, following your brand color, following your font size, following a consistent pattern in your design. And a content marketing has to be targeted. For instance, when we're creating the Facebook page, we chose a category. This category are the people we service, so you can easily target the people you service. For instance, we are talking about a tech education brand. You should know that people above a certain age would not be interested in that, so or they will be less interested in that. So you can easily target people within the age range of those that will be interested in what you have to offer. That's something about content marketing. And the next thing we did talk about is the importance of content marketing. And the importance of content marketing, one of those importance, building brand awareness, which increase visibility and recognition. And we did talk about engaging your audience, fostering relationships and community that drives traffic to your page. And we did talk about the lead generation, turning prospects into leads and customers, and establishing authority, positioning yourself as a thought leader in the industry. Those are the importance of content marketing, and as it relates to us here in Facebook and WhatsApp integration, these are things you have to take note of. Then we did talk about the classification of content. In general, there are these five classifications of content, where we have videos. Videos are video content. We have graphic. We can talk about your infographic, can talk about your image, and that's under graphic. Then we have written, these are text-based content we've spoken about. Then we have social content. Social content are short and simple, just for you to capture your social audience. Then we have audios, we have people using voice notes and podcasts. Those are content. But in this course, we'll talk about these types of content. We'll talk about writing articles, informative and educational articles. We'll talk about videos, like engaging your audience with visual content. And we'll talk about testimonials, because testimonials were given on the courses we've had in the past. So we are going to take reviews from customers or clients. Then we'll talk about infographics. These are visual representation of data and information. These are the types of content we are going to deal with in this course. And we have content marketing strategies, which says you start with a goal. You need to have a goal in mind when you are going into content marketing. You need to know, okay, this content I'm creating, what do I want to achieve with this? I want people to come to my WhatsApp to message me or to know about my business. That's a goal right there. Then you have to know your customers. Who are your customers? Who are the people that will be interested in the kind of business you do? Who are the people that would be interested in the category of business you are? Then we are going to further define an objective. For instance, you can create an ad just to make a course sale, or just to make a product sale, or just to make a service sale. So these are further objectives that you have to consider. The other strategy is the content calendar. I did show you how to create a content calendar. Content calendar helps you tailor your content. It helps you make it consistent, and it helps solve the problem of repeating patterns and all that. So we have the other strategy, which is for paid advertisement. You need to set a budget for content marketing. How do you want to market your content using paid ads? So you set a budget that way, and we are going to create a marketing plan, which is the strategies that makes you market your content and achieve the goals you've defined. And that will be all for now. In the next lesson, we're going to talk more about content marketing and how to use Facebook to do this content marketing. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.